Millions of men secretly struggle with premature ejaculation. It's frustrating, it creates performance anxiety, and it can strain relationships. But what if you could start fixing it every morning, before your day even begins? In this video, we'll explore a powerful morning routine, simple habits that condition your body and mind to last longer. Do this consistently, and you may notice control improving week after week. Premature ejaculation isn't just about physical sensitivity. It often involves stress, poor arousal control, weak pelvic muscles, and even lifestyle factors like poor sleep or lack of exercise. Pills can mask the issue, but they don't retrain the body. The real solution is about strengthening the mind-body connection, building stamina, and teaching your nervous system new responses. That's why a structured morning routine works. It conditions your body daily. The first step each morning, breathing exercises. Most men breathe shallowly from the chest, which fuels anxiety and makes arousal harder to control. Deep belly breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's natural, calm mode. Here's what to do. Sit upright in bed or on a chair. Place one hand on your stomach. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, feeling your belly expand. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale through the mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat for 5 minutes. This simple reset lowers stress hormones, clears your mind, and trains your body to stay calm under pressure, a key skill for lasting longer. Next, engage the pelvic floor muscles, the same ones that control ejaculation. Strengthening them gives you the ability to delay climax. Here's how. While exhaling, squeeze the muscles you'd use to stop urinating midstream. Hold for 3 seconds, then relax for 3. Do 10 repetitions. Once comfortable, increase to longer holds and more reps. Over time, this builds endurance in the exact muscles that help you hold back when you need control the most. Cold exposure is a surprising but effective tool. Taking a short cold shower or splashing cool water on your body first thing in the morning lowers inflammation, reduces anxiety, and trains your nervous system to tolerate stress. This resilience carries over into the bedroom, where staying calm under intense sensation is critical. Even 30 seconds of cold water can sharpen your mind and reset your body. Flexibility and circulation are essential for lasting control. Simple stretches every morning improve blood flow to the pelvic region and reduce tension. Focus on hip openers, hamstring stretches, and lower back movements. Yoga poses like child's pose, bridge pose, and cat-cow also activate the pelvic area and increase awareness of bodily sensations. The more connected you are to your body, the easier it becomes to notice arousal building and control it. Your brain is the command center of sexual performance. Each morning, spend 2 minutes visualizing yourself in complete control. Imagine intimacy unfolding calmly, with steady breathing and confidence. Mental rehearsal is used by athletes to improve performance, and it works for sexual control too. Over time, your brain begins to link arousal with calm focus, not anxiety. What you eat in the morning sets the tone for the day. Skip heavy, greasy breakfasts that drain energy. Instead, fuel your body with foods that support blood flow and hormones. Good options include oatmeal with nuts and berries for circulation, eggs for protein and zinc, green tea for steady energy without jitters. Hydration is also key. Dehydration can increase tension and sensitivity. Drink a glass of water first thing after waking up. Finally, track your progress. Keep a simple journal by your bed. Write down how many days you did the routine, how you felt, and any changes in confidence. Tracking helps you stay consistent, and consistency is what retrains your body. Over time, you'll notice small wins adding up. This entire routine takes less than 30 minutes each morning. Breathing calms the mind. Pelvic floor work strengthens control. Cold exposure trains resilience. Stretching boosts blood flow. Visualization sharpens focus. Nutrition fuels your body. Journaling keeps you accountable. Together, these habits rewire your nervous system, strengthen your body, and give you the confidence to last longer in bed. 2 mistakes can hold you back: expecting instant results and skipping days. Just like going to the gym, progress is gradual. Some men feel changes in weeks, others in months. Don't stop because results aren't immediate. And don't think missing a few days won't matter. Consistency is the secret weapon. Premature ejaculation can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't define you. With the right daily habits, you can train your body for better control, reduce anxiety, and rebuild confidence. Every morning is a new chance to improve. Stick with the routine, and you'll be surprised at how much control you gain. So start tomorrow morning. Commit to this routine for 30 days. See the changes for yourself. And if you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more science-backed tips on men's health, confidence, and vitality. Remember, lasting control starts with consistency, and it begins every morning.